Hi there, it's Amber from Milena Learning. I got a very special request to sing one of my students' very favourite songs. You probably know this song. It's got a clock and a mouse, squeak, 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 and it's called Hickory, Dickory, Dock. We'll see how it goes.
Hickory dickory dock,
The
mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck two. What could he do? Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck three. The mouse did flee. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck four. He jumped to the floor.
Jump!
Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck five. He jumped so high.
Hickory, dickory, dock.
Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck six. The mouse did a twist.
Hickory, dickory, dock.
Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck seven.
And 8, 9,
And 10 and 11. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 12. He jumped off the shelf. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock,